When we talk about food, we try and get the best for our family. So why not pay the same kind of attention to the cookware that we use? Hi guys, I'm Varun here to bring you the safest and most innovative range of stainless steel cookware called Select from Meyer. A range that is made from proprietary nickel-free stainless steel from Japan, making it super hygienic. This range consists of fry pans, milk pans, sauce pans, kadai, saute pan, and a really innovative sauteuse pan. All the cookware is available in different sizes to appeal to every kind of family. The base is thick and impact bonded for even heat distribution and conductivity. The handles will always stay cool, yet a silicone heat resistant grip is provided for your safety. The Select range has a 10-year warranty, assuring you that it will be a part of your kitchen for a long time. And since this range has no chemical coatings at all, you would be motivated to use it every single day. So go ahead and replace all your old and worn out cookware with the safest stainless steel cookware there is. Select comes to you from Meyer, the global leader in cookware since 1951.